It's another beautiful morning. We're at the shop. We're gonna get this Supra on the road. We're almost there, guys. Been working on this for a month. We've been doing all the cage work, all the dash work, all the suspension work. Today, we're kind of really progressing to getting this car on the road. And one of the things that we need before this thing hits the streets is, ta-da, a roof. Now, when we cut the roof off, we knew from the very beginning that we were gonna put a carbon fiber roof on this car, which is why we ripped off the old roof, which is why we stood on it, which is why we chopped it off early. One, it helped with the cage work. It helped with getting in and out of the car. But two, we knew we were gonna change it. So, without further ado, check out this beautiful masterpiece of a roof. This right here is a carbon fiber roof from HGK. So hyped for this. It's actually quite a bit lighter than the stock roof. The stock roof's already super light. It's like aluminum. This probably saves like maybe a few pounds. It's very cool. It's very flexible. It's beautiful. Look at that. So dope. So today we're gonna be putting on this roof, and we're also gonna be getting an alignment on the car, which I'm super stoked about. Hopefully we can dial in ride heights and all that good stuff. But it's time for us to put this thing on the car. Dylan's prepping it right now. It's actually pretty simple. We just get panel bonder, trim this thing up, and I've already test fitted it off camera days ago because I was so excited, and it fits pretty damn good.
You just can't hold the trigger while you're doing it. I'm tired of this world. Oh, I thought it was blowing my head off.
Nothing moved on you?
I know.
So before we go ahead and put the new roof on, we have to get rid of all of the OEM panel bonder before we make the new roof on there. So Dylan and Calvin are going around and just chiseling off all of the remaining panel bonder. And then I'm going in with a little wire wheel and cleaning it up so that our new surface has some like abrasive over it, so it can actually like have a better bite when we actually do the new panel bond, and one just so it's a little bit of a cleaner surface.
Also too, you're gonna let them know? You're gonna let them know?
Your boy got a cut from the 9th grade again, so. My hair was just too long. I was over it.
Don't tell the truth to people.
No, we need to vacuum. We need to vacuum. We should vacuum it.
You're all gross and dusty.
You're right.
Also, that roof was sitting there for like the past 2 videos. No one saw it.
I know. Should we do the thumbnail like this? Carbon fiber shield? Nah, I think it'd be better if it was on the car. What do you think?
Got our new wingsuit.
How do you do hood stuff?
Facts. Calvin, speak facts. It's done! So we need to trim this.
It's gonna end up like the C8. It's done now.
Commitment's pretty solid though.
Oh,
There's a few areas.
it's amazing.
What's interesting is the weave is 1x1, but it's like, where's HGK from?
Europe, Latvia, I think. I don't know.
Maybe it's Latvia 1x1, which is really like 1.5 by 1.5.
Is this like a geography?
I don't know. It's just cool. The weaves aren't exactly the same, but they're similar. I also thought that the roof had a more aggressive hood line, but I think I'm wrong. I think it's the same. Yeah.
I
think it's
Well, we would know
Maybe
if Dylan
this-
didn't trip and fall on the old one.
didn't do it. What? What's so funny?
He did not do it.
Yeah, that's the
He did not do it. Do not come.
What?
Do not come.
To our shop when we're here working because it's distracting.
I'm gonna come.
What happened? I scared him. Man, get down the field, get down the bowl. Don't sound down, you don't let no more. Don't sound little Saturday night. Yay! Okay.
Hanging low. Gone to the ground, he's got. Come on his face. Come on his face. Big disgrace. Waving his all over the place. Singing, we will. Fuck you. Come on, we will suck you. Sucking him. What was that? Today's video is brought to you by Factor. They are my favorite meal prep company out there. While we've been building this Mark V Supra, I really haven't had that much time to go out and get food, and I've been bringing these Factor meals with me every day to work, and it has been the best decision ever. One, because it saves me time, but two, I'm also eating healthy and clean, and I'm staying away from fast food, junk food, and just foods that aren't healthy for me. As I said, these Factor meals are pre-made and they're delivered right to your door. And most importantly, they actually taste amazing. Factor offers keto, calorie smart, chef's choice, and vegan plus veggie options, which includes seafood, meat, and plant-based meals. Factor cuts out stressful meal planning and extensive prepping, so meals come together in just minutes. The meals arrive pre-prepared and ready to eat within 2 minutes, which is faster than ordering takeout. In today's time, there are so many different options out there for pre-made meals, but nothing is better than Factor. And there's often times where I'll even eat this thing at home rather than going out and get food just because there's some flavors I love so much. Head over to factor75.com and use my code HUNT50 for 50% off your first order. Or just go ahead and click the links down below. Thank you so much to Factor for taking care of us, and let's get back to today's video.
And to everyone saying carbon fiber is super toxic, I hold my breath. I just did a bunch of trimming. This thing came really well trimmed, just where it's molded. Sometimes it kind of, you can see it flares up a little bit. Well, it's quite a bit more. So all I did was I just went on their factory trace lines for them to trim, because they just, you know, quick trim these and send them out. They're usually good enough, but just hopefully for a little bit better of a fit, just trimmed their factory lines and did a little bit of flaring on the inside edge. And we're good, she's good to go.
Do we want to keep this little tail end here? You think this will go over? Oh, I checked it out. It's good.
That was me who did that.
Oh, let's put it on.
That was me.
Let's put it on.
Roll on the greens. 4 rivets, 2 per side.
Don't think we need them.
I know, but hear me out.
We'll do them.
Okay, thank you. I just don't want you to get DQ'd for some kind of body panel flying off, and over like a year's worth of sun, maybe the panel bond.
Panel bond. It's OEM panel bond.
Yeah, and every other OEM body panel is panel bonded and bolted.
You're so smart, Dylan. Okay, let's do it.
Trash ass bit. Oh wait.
Oh, wait.
All these bits are trash. Wait.
Tell them what they don't tell them, dog.
Give me that. Give me that. OEM panel bender.
Oh, cut.
Panel bender?
Cut. New scene.
OEM panel bonder. Hey, I picked up my A.
Shut up!
OEM panel bonder.
Yeah. Yeah. Go, Patrick.
This was recommended to us by our friend Oscar.
Oscar, man. From
Oscar.
SOS Customs, man.
We're gonna squeeze this entire bottle. TJ said that we're gonna use 6 of them. I doubt that.
Welcome to the whale wash. We got the whale of a wash, and the price is, oh my gosh. I bought a lot of them. Oscar was like, you're gonna need 4. And I was like, are you sure? Yes.
4?
Allegedly. We'll find out. I love this stuff. This is so fun to use.
You have to squeeze it on there, right?
Yeah.
So you're gonna squeeze this entire tube per.
We'll find out. I don't know. I really don't
What
know.
do you
I
mean
bought a lot of
we
them.
can't find out.
I have a lot.
Because once it's down, it's down.
No, but we'll use it until we're out of it. You know what I'm saying? Oscar recommended a lot, so I bought a lot.
Hey Cal, can you toss me that Factor drink real quick? It's really good. I like it.
You really like Factor, huh?
I mean, it's just a big load of the drink to take the whole. Oh my god, it's there.
What do you want?
It's lotiony in.
Here I go, Dylan.
Wait, no.
RPG?
Since we don't have compressed air, let me leak blow this.
What if I squirted some in?
I don't think it would.
And then your mouth went like this. Alright, so when I saw Oscar do this, it was like this. What, you would do less?
Yeah, it's closer together.
Listen to Oscar. Dylan.
I watched Oscar.
Yeah, and it wasn't like that. It was more like that. Yeah, like you want to build it up to like an 1/8 inch thickness or something like that, so it fills everything. Then you press it down.
My hand's already tired.
That is so much.
Do you want to do it?
It's incredible.
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay.
Holy shit, Dylan.
Yeah, I
Dude,
personally think he's doing too much.
That's
but-
how much. Look at the video right now. Go watch it. I've never done it before.
It's going.
All I did was
It's still coming.
Come on,
It's still going.
Look it down there, brother.
Well, Twan's over here.
That's so much!
Here. There you go. Give me the camera.
I'll do it.
Oh, that's so little.
Trash, dude.
That's not enough.
Fucking
That's
trash.
not enough, dude.
Horrible. Have you ever done this before? Do you even know what 2-part epoxy is?
Yeah.
Have you ever caulked anything before?
My
I bet your shower leaks.
My grandpa invented it. Might drip on the cage.
No,
FYI.
when you put this rag on the cage, real
Sorry.
quick, those have like no pressure on them.
No, they do. Give me your nipple. Oh, it's all over the inside. Oh yeah, come here and look this way.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, I just got it all over my fingies.
Oh, I forgot. Daddy LZ sent me a package. Shout out to Adam. There's a little product he sells here that I really wanted. Thanks, Mr. LZ. Check this out. So, really good to have here. Adam made like a drift box, but it's essentially a drift kit, the LZMF drift kit, and it has like the essentials and hardwares that you would need at the track, and he sells them on his website. So if that sounds of interest to you, go buy one. But I was like, hey, Adam, send me some, please. I want to put it in our race trailer and in our practice trailer, and he sent me a couple. Look at this. Wow. Flush cuts, zip ties, hardware. So cool. Cool. Thank you, Adam. All right, well, our roof is done. The panel bond cure time is about 60 minutes, so we're gonna let that cure, and then we'll slowly start taking everything apart, or at least we'll take off the clamps. But that wasn't as difficult as I thought it was gonna be. We've never taken our roof off before. Well, I guess it felt really easy because we already like removed the roof a long time ago, but any of you are crazy enough to try this yourself, on the TJ scale, I rated a level 4.5. Drilling off the spot weld is probably the most annoying thing on the OEM roof, but definitely looks a lot more intimidating. Doing it yourself, not that bad. So if any of you guys are thinking about it, do it. Just take your time. Also, just got a little shipment from Logan and KSI, a little thing of Prime. Taste test, never had it before. Let's see how it is. Damn, that's fire.
Really?
Yeah, thanks Prime. Tanner from OC Alignment just came down. He's been aligning all of my cars for the past couple of years, and he's gonna be aligning the A90 today, which I'm super stoked about. We just lowered the car for the first time on ramps that were tall enough where the car could actually come off of the lift. Look at how slammed it is right now. We're obviously not gonna keep it like this, but it is interesting to see the caster setup. The wheel is way too far back. We need to push that forward, and we're obviously gonna raise it. I think we're gonna raise the front by 2 inches, and then also in the rear, we're gonna lower it by probably an inch to start. We don't know too much information about the Supra quite yet, so we're kind of gonna go at a very baseline and neutral alignment. What do we say, Dylan? Like 0 in the back? I don't really know what we're gonna
I just say for a baseline, we'll always adjust. We'll go with the baseline, and then we'll adjust the camber and the toe we'll watch the wear patch when we drive it, and then we'll adjust at the track for that wear patch.
Insane camber in the front. What the heck? Dude, that's way, I mean, look at this.
That's like 5.5.
This looks way more aggressive. Am I tripping?
Wisecop says like 6.5 on their website.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're super dumped on this side. We have some work to do. We're going to raise all 4 corners and then get Tanner started on the alignment. Oddly enough, Oscar is here. He's working on something with throttle. So while the man himself is here.
We gotta check it out.
Yeah, get the review.
We gotta check it out.
We watched your vid accurately.
We gonna rate this 1 through 10.
You removed the whole hat when you had your ears. Why not?
Just cause. The more room to work, the better.
A little bit of excess swum on the other side, but
That's fine.
through.
That's not your cover.
Fitment was pretty good too. What roof did you guys do? Was it a Sabon?
No, it was like our. I don't even remember
Oh.
the brand. To be honest.
You gonna hire us, dude? Oh, it is kind of. It did drip a little bit, right? It's okay. How long is the cure time? It's been over an hour.
I wouldn't fuck with it for a couple of days, bro.
What about taking the wheel off?
Leave it on just till tomorrow.
Was the wheel a good idea to keep
Yeah,
pressure
great
on it?
idea.
Not a little too much weight.
Nah. I mean, it would be nicer to spread it apart.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
No, you didn't. You said it's good, and you walked away, and I was like, we should put some weight on it.
You guys didn't put like nothing. What's retaining this right now?
What's retaining?
Yeah, what's holding this?
Like a
Nothing.
rivet or something.
You should have put like a rivet or a screw in there. Now you have too much free floating space.
down.
What happens is you want to overlap it. So you have it on there and yeah, it's on there, right? And it'll grab. But what you want is you want something to retain it, whether that be those little fucking bullet looking things. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about.
You didn't put
Riv
that in
nut?
the video.
Not a rib nut.
didn't put that in the
I
video.
put self toppers. Yeah. Yeah. What we did is we drilled pre-existing holes.
Well,
you know, and
we
then
tried to drill through it, and it kept blowing over all the bits out.
Oh, yeah.
We were trying to put rivets in, we couldn't get through it.
Yeah.
We couldn't get through it. Well, we could do that after the fact.
But it doesn't really matter now because then the stuff's already dry.
Well, it's still
you want it
gonna
to.
be there.
You want it to be like in it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like you weren't even penetrating, bro.
Like you're,
You better be like, you know what I mean? You do your load
So-
before you went in,
It's
dog.
cemented on all 4 corners.
here's
I see what you're saying.
the final test. I'm gonna put one of the trim pieces on, and we'll see if the roof's raised a substantial amount.
Yeah.
Right.
How did you get the trim piece back on if there's no clips anymore?
Double side tape.
She's gonna be golden, dude. She's gonna be good.
Yeah.
Wait, we're what?
That's all. You guys are doing a great job. Hey, okay.
Yeah, I hadn't done this since my grandpa passed away.
No, but what?
Nothing. But anyways, carbon
The
fiber
only
roof.
thing that I would have done, I would have put something to hold that in, you know.
Yeah.
But other than that, I mean, it looks like everything is drying at a fair rate. You guys just put it on right now, then?
Like an hour ago, yeah. Now, what's your opinion? I want to ask this on the adhesion of the roof without fasteners. Do you think that any kind of like load or force or wind could blow this thing off eventually?
No,
Okay,
no, not like that.
Dude,
but
I don't know. I wanted to ask.
But
okay.
you definitely want something crimping this thing down, you know, and you have it on the back. That's great right there. We don't have nothing on the sides. Yeah. That's really where you're gonna have the best adhesions, is right there on the channel, in the channel, and that's what the actual framing is right there. So you want it on there.
Okay, we
real
can
good.
just add that after the fact.
No, but what he's talking about, look. Okay, watch. One layer, right? Two layer, and then this is all the stuff in the middle, the two part. When you squish it, even when you press down, it'll start to lift again, and all that stuff is still in that gap. So when you have a rivet that pinches it and holds it, it'll dry that way instead of expanding.
What if you just leave it weighted till it's dried all the way?
No, it's fine, but the thing
nothing.
is like you want penetration into that. You know, you gotta have some penetration. You know, you didn't get enough bite. You know, but I feel like it'll be fine.
I don't really have that problem.
Sure. You didn't ask me. I got 2 kids.
While Tanner's gonna finish up the alignment, we're gonna go ahead and install our vents. And I think we only showed this in the clips channel.
I don't know if we showed it in the main channel, but one of you guys makes little replacement vents for the side of the bumper.
Because in one video we were talking about cutting out all of the grills and stuff, but this is a replacement piece. This technically goes to nothing. It just goes to like the tire, but it's cool because it is see-through. So we're gonna throw these vents back on the car, put this in. It's gonna look cool.
That is way too close to my face.
Those are really in there, bud. I'll put these ones on.
Dude, who am I?
Dylan pulling the camera?
Who am I?
Have you ever held the camera before? He does a good job.
Yeah, Twan does a good job. Twan, I'll never tell you to your face, but you do a great job. He's looking at me right now. But seriously, you do a really good job. I'm proud of you. Stupid little fucking bitch. Don't. I was gonna put that on my car. I was gonna make it fit somehow. TJ was gonna go install the other side, and what I did was I made sure that it was cut open, so all of the holes had somewhere to go. Not that it matters, but if you're gonna do it, might as well.
Yeah, dude, it's gonna give really good airflow to the tire.
You're smiling right now. I'm not. You can't. Hey, no! You don't get the satisfaction of doing that.
I told you to cut it.
You didn't tell me to do nothing. Check this out.
Oh, I felt it. You're right, dude. Good job.
Can you hand me the razor blade?
Why is he have so close?
Can you hand it to me? Oh, it's not even open, dude. Here, will you hand it back to me?
Oh, I didn't like that.
Put a towel underneath it.
Yeah, towel's good.
Ooh, no one's excited but me.
Well, I'm excited. I just want to send it.
Oh yeah, baby.
Tell me you. Oh my god.
Huh?
Don't tell me after that. I prefer not.
No, it's good. It looks really nice.
Why are you drooling? What's going on right now? Dude. He goes.
Well, another day, another dollar, another day, more progress on the Supra. You know what they say. Dylan went ahead and accidentally marked up the roll cage and using a wire.
You son of a bitch.
Wire wheel.
Oh, spit everywhere. That was you. I just noticed it. I'm gonna fix
So
it.
I'm gonna fix that after I end this. Abuse in the workplace. HR? I'm gonna call HR. Hello, how are you doing? I've just gotten abused by a big giant. Oh my gosh, I've probably been having a lot of issues with this. Is his name Dylan? As a matter of fact, yes it is. Okay, we'll send in someone with a horse tranquilizer to put him down so we can put him in custody. Okay, I think that's what's best. That's what happens.
Hey, that's not fair. This is very one-sided. It's clearly both him.
No, it's not. What are you talking
Oh
about?
my god, dude.
Dude, psycho. That's where we're gonna end his video. I'm hyped, bro. Don't be confused by Calvin's lack of enthusiasm.
I don't know what that means.
Don't be confused by his lack of enthusiasm and how cool this is. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out and keep moving forward.